Now, what about combinations with restrictions? Let's look at some examples because we've already dealt with restrictions with permutations. Grace belongs to a group of 8 workers. If a team of 4 is to be selected that includes Grace, determine how many teams possible. So Grace is selected. That's our restriction. That means from 7 people, we're selecting 3. So number of teams is going to be from 7, we need to select 3. So that's 35. Therefore, 35 teams, including Grace, are possible. Next, a hand of cards consists of 5 cards drawn from a deck of 52. Determine how many hands would contain both Queen and King of Hearts. So, Queen and King of Hearts are selected. That's our restriction. That means we have 50 cards left to select 3. Number of hands equals 50 C3, which is 19,600. Therefore, 19,600 hands will contain both Queen and King of Hearts. So you can see we deal with the restriction first. Next, a group of 20 students consists of 12 girls and 8 boys. A committee of 5 is to be selected to make arrangements for an excursion. Determine how many committees of 5 can be formed. So number of committees, I should state order not important, which means it's a combination. So number of committees, from 20, we need to select 5, which is 15,504. Therefore, 15,504 possible committees of 5 people. Determine how many committees would contain 3 girls and 2 boys. So number of committees equals, for our girls, from 12, we're selecting 3. For our boys, from 8, we're selecting 2. We need both, so we need to multiply. That's 220 times by 28, which is 6,160. Therefore, 6,160 committees containing 3 girls and 2 boys are possible. Next, determine how many committees would contain at least 3 girls. So we can have 3 girls and 2 boys. We could have 4 girls and 1 boy. Or we can have 5 girls and no boys. 3 girls, 2 boys will equal, from 12 girls, we're selecting 3 times 8 C2. That's our answer from part B. So 6,160. 4 girls, 1 boy. So from 12, we're selecting 4. From 8, we're selecting 1. So 495 times 8, which is 3,960. Then 5 girls, no boys. So from 12, we're selecting 5. And from 8, we're not selecting anyone. So 792 times by 1, which is 792. So number of committees, we can't have all of them at once. So it's this, or this, or this. And or means add. So 6,160 plus 3,960 plus 792, which is 10,912. Therefore, 10,912 committees with at least 3 girls are possible.